Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset the settings app back to default on Windows 11 computer guys. So if you are facing issue with it not responding or not opening, let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. On right side having apps settings, open it. Wait for it. And scroll down guys, reset option is here. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Click on repair. Hopefully this can able to resolve it, but we can also try it. If this app still working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. Click on reset. This can hopefully solve your problems guys. Resetting, if no, you not get resolved by that reset, after resetting go to search menu and type cmd. Let's resolve with the cmd using file checking utility guys. For that, click run as administrator over here, and you need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this 100% complete guys, close out of here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.